How to build your own time machine. DIY. I'm Ijoma Oputa, the torchbearer of reflection, lighting the mirror between the reality you struggle in and the universe you should be in control of. Subscribe and learn every day how you can rise above life's common challenges and transition into the state of resplendent equilibrium. A state of mind giving you access to dimensions of life you never thought existed. If I could condense everything I teach, both here on this channel and in my podcast, it would be this. It would basically be a roadmap on how to build your own time machine. DIY. Everyone has been fascinated by the possibility of traveling through time, from the beginning of, time. Indeed, time travel is one of those ideas that nestles itself in the marrow of human imagination. It's both a longing for what was and a curiosity about what could be. Whether it's H.G. Wells conjuring up a Victorian time machine or Einstein unraveling the fabric of space-time, the notion threads through fiction and physics alike. What's so compelling is that it touches something primal. Regret and hope. The wish to change a moment, relive a joy, or leap forward to glimpse the fruits of today's toil. And then there's the philosophical gravity. If one can travel to another era, would they remain the same self? Or does the time shape the traveler as much as the traveler bends time? If you've been following my previous videos, you'll understand that the fascination with time travel is really tethered to the limited three-dimensional single timeline perspective, the very framework of reality we are most accustomed to. To build your own time machine, you must first realign your framework to the fourth dimension. And this is the perspective of the Spirit. Only then can you begin to perceive a grid of parallel realities where multiple timelines exist simultaneously across the past, present, and the future. It is at this moment that a profound truth emerges. Every moment you spent worrying about the future or regretting the past has triggered an emotion. These emotions, along with their accompanying thoughts, are far from the idle musings. They are the very catalyst that activates specific coordinates on the grid of realities. Each one marks the beginning of a journey undertaken by the Spirit. Wherever the Spirit travels, the body eventually follows, meaning you are quite literally creating your future through the movements of your time-traveling spirit. From this understanding, time travel is revealed not as a whimsical pursuit of curiosity, but as a powerful tool for the manifestation of our most fervent dreams. It should now be evident that we are already time travelers, and it is essential to develop the tools and mindset to consciously navigate these excursions into the past, present, and future, so that we can shape a life experience that truly fulfills and delivers on our deepest desires. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share these videos so that you don't miss any piece of this multi-dimensional puzzle of time travel that we are deciphering in this channel. The mindset I spoke of earlier is the divine state of resplendent equilibrium. This is our flagship product. This puts you in a state of conscious, subconscious, and superconscious alignment required to free you from the single timeline mentality and allows you also to access multiple variations of reality. The apparatus is the quantum box. All true manifestation flows from God's pre-installed creation, seated across an infinite field of possibilities. To access this state of mind and construct your own mirror portal, you are invited to join our exclusive webinar. There you will develop the skill set necessary to transcend the mundane and begin crafting a life of deliberate alignment, spiritual clarity, and extraordinary manifestation. This fusion of spiritual awareness and physical apparatus becomes in essence a time machine, granting you unfettered access to three powerful realms. One, the past, where you can revisit and revise key moments, transforming regrets into revelations and reshaping your timeline for a more favorable future. Two, parallel dimensions, where countless versions of yourself exist in real time. Here, you gain the ability to confront personal limitations, dissolve phobias, manage anger, heal emotional wounds, overcome depression, cultivate self-love, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. And number three, the future, a realm of infinite potential, governed only by the scope of your imagination. Your destiny is no longer a mystery. It becomes a choice. Can you, tell me something, can you really afford to keep living without this kind of leverage? What is the true cost of spending a lifetime haunted by a mistake you could have corrected? Or endlessly cycling through therapists while flirting with addiction, overeating, or worse? Of settling for a simple mundane future while entire realities filled with joy, success, love, and purpose await, untapped, waiting for your command? That's too much of a price to pay. That's my opinion. The obvious alternative is to leverage your flexibility to access dimensions in the past, present, and future. To select an experience aligned with your passion, preference, and purpose. So learn how to build your own time machine. Do it yourself. All you need is some mirrors, my blueprints, and a fervent imagination. Sign up for our webinar and let's make the most of your time on this grand, infinite board of possibilities. Thanks for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. If there are life experiences you've longed for but never realized, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in leveraging your limitless power of observation with mirrors and reflections, be sure to check out my next and other videos on this channel. Peace and blessings.